Hello, Bob Flores with Corsa Performance, and we want to talk a little bit about accessories over and above your regular exhaust system, whether it's a cat back or an axle back system. A lot of people always ask the question, well, is it better that I have an H pipe or an X pipe? And that's kind of varied. But what I do want to do is I want to show you how an improvement can be made on a C5 Corvette application specifically with the factory H pipe that a lot of people don't realize on what's going on. And we sell an awful lot of Corvette systems through Summit here for our Corvette community, and a lot of people kind of do a half job because they don't really take a look to see just what's going on with that H pipe assembly that they have from the factory. Now, a lot of times those things are actually welded in place and the customer doesn't get a chance to see it because it's elongated and they feel that it's a 2.5 inch straight in, straight out. But the problem is that once you do take that apart and cut it open, it reveals something that becomes very, very surprising to a lot of people. In this particular case, on a C5 Corvette, you have a restriction of a 5/8 inch hole on each side. Now, what this causes is when you put a free-flowing exhaust system on, you're allowing more air to get through, more exhaust to get through that section, and it is actually getting caught up in those two 5/8 inch holes. So should you have a manual transmission, for instance, and you're downshifting or you're braking erratically, you tend to get more popping, or what we call trail throttle and gurgle, that pa-pa-pa-pa-pa-pa sound when you downshift or brake erratically. The reason for that is this. And so what we try to do is we try to explain to people that it's advantageous for you to open up that flow and allow a straighter flow of exhaust back off those catalytic converters by incorporating an X pipe. And you can take that same advantage into other H pipe, X pipe assemblies down the line, whether it's for a Camaro, a Mustang, a Corvette, or the like. There are advantages of opening it up, letting it breathe so that you get the maximum efficiency of flow to improve your horsepower, your torque, and overall sound quality of the transition of exhaust. On behalf of Corsa Performance, I'd like to thank you very much.